Uniswap value equivalent to $4.4467 a coin. The present reach: $4.4274, $4.6872. The earlier day close: $4.6563. The change was 0.2096, 4.50%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $4.46. Greatest cost $5. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.13, change for October 15.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $5.13. Most extreme cost $6.05, least cost $4.50. The normal for the month $5.33. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.65, change for November 10.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $5.65. Greatest cost $6.16, least cost $5.36. The normal for the month $5.73. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.76, change for December 1.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $5.76. Most extreme cost $5.76, least cost $4.50. The normal for the month $5.22. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.84, change for January 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $4.84. Most extreme cost $6, least cost $4.84. The normal for the month $5.32. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.61, change for February 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. Before all else, cost at $5.61. Most extreme cost $6.30, least cost $5.48. The normal for the month $5.82. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.89, change for spring 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.89. Greatest cost $5.89, least cost $5.05. The normal for the month $5.57. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $5.43, change for April 7.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.43. Greatest cost $5.43, least cost $4.55. The normal for the month $5.08. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.89, change for May 9.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $4.89. Most extreme cost $4.89, least cost $4.24. The normal for the month $4.65. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.56, change for June 6.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4.56. Greatest cost $4.83, least cost $4.19. The normal for the month $4.52. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.51, change for July 1.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.51. Greatest cost $5.60, least cost $4.51. The normal for the month $4.96. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.23, change for August 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $5.23. Most extreme cost $5.23, least cost $4.29. The normal for the month $4.84. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.61, change for September 11.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.61. Greatest cost $4.61, least cost $3.60. The normal for the month $4.17. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.87, change for October 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $1.69. Greatest cost $1.69, least cost $1.32. The normal for the month $1.53. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.42, change for December 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place, cost at $1.42. Greatest cost $1.77, least cost $1.42. The normal for the month $1.57. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.65, change for January 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $1.65. Most extreme cost $1.99, least cost $1.65. The normal for the month $1.79. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.86, change for February 12.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. At the outset, cost at $1.86. Most extreme cost $1.86, least cost $1.45. The normal for the month $1.68. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.56, change for spring 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1.56. Greatest cost $1.56, least cost $1.22. The normal for the month $1.41. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.31, change for April 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Before all else, cost at $1.31. Most extreme cost $1.63, least cost $1.31. The normal for the month $1.44. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.52, change for May 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. To start with, cost at $1.52. Greatest cost $1.88, least cost $1.52. The normal for the month $1.67. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.76, change for June 15.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1.76. Greatest cost $2.18,